Hi friends! Today we're going to continue talking about dominoes. So yesterday we counted the dots on one side, wrote that number, counted on the other side, wrote that number, and then we added both sides together and counted all the dots to find our answer to how many dots there are. So let's review. On this side, count with me. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to write the number 6. And remember that's down, around, up, around. And over here we have 1, 2. So we're going to write the number 2. That's up, around, down, slide to the right. So let's read the math problem. We have 6 plus 2. So we have to figure out what 6 plus 2. So we have to count them all to figure out how many we have all together. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our answer is 8. So let's write the number 8. You make an S and come back home. So now let's read the math fact. 6 plus 2 equals 8. Very good. Now I'm going to make another one. Down here, another domino. Now, how many dots are on this side? 1. Very good. And how many dots are on this side? 1. So if we count the dots together, 1, 2. So then 1 plus 1 equals 2. Now this kind of domino has a special name. It's called a double. Can you say double? Double. So it's called a double because each side is exactly the same. There's 1 dot over here and there's 1 dot over here. Is this a double? No, because there's 6 over here and 2 over here. If we wanted to make one into a double, we could erase this down here. And if we wanted to make this top one into a double, we could erase some of these dots. And now there's 1, 2 over here and 1, 2 over here. So now this one is a double. Let's count these dots and figure out this addition problem. So it's 1, 2. And we already said it's a double, so there's 2 on the other side. So 2 plus 2 is, let's count them all together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's read the math fact. 2 plus 2 equals 4. And we have another double because each side is exactly the same. So for your homework, you're doing what we have been doing, what we did yesterday and what we just went through. You're putting the number down. So there's 1 dot over here. So you're going to write a 1. There's 1 dot over here. So you're going to write a 1. And 1 plus 1 equals 2. And you're going to do that with the rest of them. And then at the bottom, it says color the domino that shows a double red. So you have to color the domino that's a double red. Now remember what I said a double is. One that each side looks exactly the same. So they have the same amount of dots on both sides. You have to color that domino red. Thanks for joining me.